Hello, magicians. I'm sure you're doing well today. So, today we are going to see and learn more about the most auspicious time of the hour. Yes, we are talking about Brahma Muhurat, and we are going to understand that why and how waking up at this time and manifesting all our desires can transform our lives and can give us success 10 times faster. So this Brahma Muhurat or time of Brahman or time of universe starts 1 hour 36 minutes before sunrise and ends 48 minutes before sunrise. So if we consider our India's sunrise time, which is between 6:15 to 6:30, the Brahma Muhurat starts and ends between 4:30 to 5:30. Yes, as per our seasons, it does change, but more or less 4:30 to 5:30 is a time which is considered as the most auspicious time during the day. Now you must be thinking that Amrita, if I want to transform my life, then I still have 15 to 16 hours a day, keeping aside our sleep hours. So I can work on those hours also. So why are you asking me to wake up particularly at this time and do it? And work on myself. So today we are going to understand why exactly we need to do that in three simple steps. First step, we are going to see how our body performs and reacts the moment we start waking up at this hour. The second, we are going to see what exactly is going on in the universe during this hour. And third, and the most important thing, how do we actually manage to wake up so early in the morning, right? I'm sure you're thinking about it. So guys, but before I begin, those who don't know me, I'm Amrita Engineer. I'm life and manifestation coach, welcoming you all to my channel, Awaken the Magic Within You. So guys, if you like today's video, you find this information useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, because every time when I upload the video, you will be able to watch it immediately. So let's begin with our first point, that what exactly happens to our human body the moment we start waking up at this time. So when we wake up, we start waking up and we get used to waking up at this time, our body starts feeling more energetic and cheerful, because in order to wake up at 4, we also have to make sure that we are sleeping between 9 to 10 p.m. previous night, right? And this is a perfect time for our body to start working on its cleansing process. Our each and every organ has its own fixed time to get detoxed, which starts from 11 p.m. onwards. And that's the reason most of the doctors say that it's not important how many hours of sleep you get, it's most important that what time you go to sleep and what time you wake up. But in India, most of the people do not understand that concept. So the moment we start following this sleep and wake up cycle, our body, which is like a mini chemical factory, starts performing at its best. The moment we start waking up at Brahma Muhurat at around 4:30, we start feeling more cheerful, more happy. We start getting more enthusiastic about everything. We feel, the life is changing in a most amazing way. And we feel like champion, because just imagine, like, the whole world is sleeping and you are awake and you are working on your desires, you're working on your dream life. How amazing does that feel, right? And as a result, during this time when you are awake, when you're working on yourself, you start getting the opportunity, you start getting ideas which you do not otherwise think during the whole time, during the whole day. And as a result, it helps you take yourself to the next level of success. This happens with each and every person, not even one person is exception. The people who are waking up at this time, they have some amazing stories to tell, including myself. Now let's look at the second aspect, that what exactly is going on in the universe at this hour. So when we start waking up so early in the morning, the entire world is still sleeping, is fast asleep, and as a result, the energy of universe is at its purest best. So your chances of your desires getting heard, your manifestations getting answered are very high. Because just like, let's take an example. If you have to reach a destination called A and you are at B, then what time you'll be able to reach this destination faster? At 4 a.m. when there is nobody on the road, or at 9 or 10 a.m. when the roads are full of traffic, which is called as office hours during our in our language? Obviously the answer is 4 a.m. because you will not be finding any competition during that time. There will not be any traffic on the road, and as a result you will be able to reach faster. Similarly, when you wake up at this time, your desires gets answered quickly. And if other people are finding the success or getting the answers for their manifestation, say within 2 to 3 months, you start getting the answers, you start seeing the results within 15 days of waking up early. And now let's look at the second aspect of universe. So this 3 a.m. to 6 a.m., this time is called cosmic energy time, because during this period our planets are changing its position in our solar system. As a result, cosmic energy of universe is highest during this hour. And when we are awake, when we are working on ourselves, when we are in a happy mood, when we are in a cheerful mood, our subconscious minds gets absorbed, it absorbs this cosmic energy perfectly, and our mind gets aligned with the universal energy. As a result, whatever we are manifesting during this time gets accepted without asking much questions from our mind side. And finally, guys, what is the job of our mind? Whatever we are manifesting, whatever we are thinking, whether bad or good, whether positive or negative, it has to make sure that it comes true in a quickest possible time. So just imagine if you are manifesting all amazing thing about yourself. For example, you're manifesting that you're easily and happily earning 2 lakhs rupees a month, every month consistently and effortlessly. Then your mind accepts it. Okay, if she is saying that she is earning 2 lakhs, then let me create more opportunities where earning money becomes even easier for her. And as a result, you start coming across the opportunities which you have never even seen earlier. How amazing is that, guys, right? Don't you think that you have got some sort of superpower to achieve whatever you feel? Just hold on to that feeling, guys, because you will need it every time you wake up early, every time you feel like sleeping for those extra time, extra minutes. But you will be reminded of this exact feeling, and you will be able to wake up on time till the time you are totally transformed. And now let's look at the most important aspect, that you will say that Amrita, okay, we have accepted, we have understood that waking up at this time is very good for our human body. It is, the cosmic energy is highest, so that's why, you get your manifestations are getting answered quickly. But how do we actually wake up so early? How do we manage that? Because in India, we normally are used to have our dinners very late. We are used to binge watch because of this COVID situation, because work from home situation. We are used to work till late. We are used to complete our daily daytime work during our night time. We are used to go for night drives, go to friends houses, sometimes party whenever the situation is allowing us. So how do we actually wake up so early? How do we sleep so early? So all I'm asking is, guys, we do not want change. Understand one thing very clearly. We are not looking at change here, because change can be reversible. We want transformation. Transformation means once you go to that destination, it is impossible for you to go back to your normal routine life, earlier life, the past life. So we are looking at something like transformation, and transformation takes time. So you cannot just next day you can say that okay, I'm waking up at 4, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm achieving everything. Within 2-3 days you will get bored, you will start feeling sleepy, and you will again go back to your normal routine. So we do not want that. We want to go slowly but steadily. So all I'm asking is, just understand what are your sleeping time, what time you're going to sleep, and what time you're normally waking up on your own. And if you are suppose sleeping at say 11:30 and waking up at 7:30, then from tomorrow onwards start sleeping at 11 and start waking up at 7. Start feeling that you are getting that half an hour extra. You can do so many more things in that half an hour. And yes, tomorrow's video we are going to discuss our morning routine, what exactly we need to do the moment we wake up. Our 1 hour, the most important hour after we wake up, we are going to work on ourselves, and that video is going to be so amazing. I'm sure you will look forward to waking up early and do everything that I'm asking you to do. So yes, guys, so start changing that hourly pattern. Start making changes. 30 minutes, start sleeping early, start waking up early, and within say 15 to 20 days you will start falling in this gap of 9 to 10. The moment you're doing that, you will realize that your body is waking you up without any alarm, because your body has finished its work. during the night time, and it's feeling rejuvenated, it's feeling energetic, and you will not even need alarm to wake you up. That's the moment you should realize that your life is getting transformed. You're actually ready to change your life, to work on your life. And trust me guys, if you start making these small changes in your lives, definitely within 15 to 20 days this time will come where your body starts giving you signal that okay, I'm loving the new routine that you're following. Because whether you are used to sleep at 3 a.m. in the night or 9 p.m. in the night, your bodily functions are going to be same for everyone. If you know, the organ cleansing is going to be similar for everyone. So whether you enjoy it or not, your body is definitely going to enjoy your new sleep and wake up cycle. So guys, listen to those signs, try waking up early, start sleeping early, and start imagining, start visualizing, start experiencing all these changes. So that's it from my side. Stay tuned and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.